right, in this video, I'm going to show you the best and easiest way for these awesome looking screen recording videos. So in the start of some of the videos, what I like to do is have my logo in the top corner and maybe have my name. And it really doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want on the screen. Something to look a little more professional in the corners. You see my name here, what I do. I could put a phone number depending on what I'm selling. You have the logo and you just see me in the background. $25 mic, not a big deal. $25 camera. It's really nothing. It's just the software that does this, which is Podsplice. Okay, now if I share my screen, we're showing how we do this. So we have a free Canva app that hooks up. Canva is so easy to edit everything. So watch this.
Here, let's nothing too
My
crazy.
brother's
Blue and a
showing.
black just to make it look
Right, you have the
a little bit.
he's just putting the name
I'll just have my name. That's fine. Addison.
on there. Okay, so you just like type this, you get one layer, and then you can save that with Podsplice. So it might take you, I don't know, a few minutes to record the video that you want to record, and another few minutes or less to actually put the little stylings and whatever you want just for little professional style edits without hiring anybody, without figuring out some extra software. And then you automatically can cut it into shorts, upload it to YouTube and everywhere else right from within Podsplice. And you have the high quality audio and system audio and camera. So you can get a better mic, better camera, but it's the software that really gets the most out of it. Now, I could go into detail on why that is, but I mean, you can listen yourself with this with earphones and you'll see it sounds pretty clear for a $25 mic. And then whatever you're promoting, whatever you're selling, you just get, honestly, because we've tried this, we've tried other methods, you just get a lot more sales when it's a little more professional, and you can make so much more content because it's so easy to do. So you just hook this up with Canva. It's just a free app connection. It even hooks up with ChatGPT and Claude, so you can tell it what to do. And honestly, it just takes a couple seconds there. So you record the video on your screen. You can flip between full screen because all the tracks are recorded separately, like the webcam, the system audio, which is like the YouTube sound. If I play the,
And then if you want,
right,
how does this look?
so you can hear him talking that system audio. That's a separate track. My face and then the screen. So that's why you can switch back between like the full screen at the beginning with the logo and all that, and sharing my screen where my face is in the corner. And it's really nice to be able to have all this on separate tracks because most of screen recorders don't. It's all baked into one track, and then you can't switch anything. You can't change views. You can't really do anything if the audio is too loud in one of them. It just messes up. So anyway, really good for high performing videos that are easy to create.